I'll be answering WAEC 2019 Chemistry Objective Past Question 5. And the question is, the bleaching action of chlorine is through the process of A. Hydration, B. Hydrolysis, C. Reduction, and D. Oxidation. Now, it's important to note that the bleaching action of chlorine is one of the most important actions, chemical properties, or in fact one of the most common questions asked under chlorine. And the bleaching action of chlorine is basically through the process of oxidation. Now, oxidation is option D, which is the answer to the question. Now, most bleaching agents out there make use of this mechanism or this bleaching action of chlorine in order to carry out their functions. So how exactly does this mechanism occur? The bleaching action of chlorine is based on oxidation. Now, when chlorine is exposed to water in general, when chlorine is exposed to water, it reacts with water, and the products formed are hydrochloric acid and hypochlorous acid. Now, hypochlorous acid further disintegrates due to the fact that it is very unstable. So hypochlorous acid disintegrates into hydrochloric acid and oxygen. Now, this oxygen atom is the one that reacts with the colored material. So you have a colored material reacting with oxygen, and when this reaction occurs, the colored material becomes colorless. In other words, it's bleached. So this is the mechanism that works for removal of stains as well, because basically stains are colored material, and trying to remove stain will involve using a bleaching agent, one of which, or most of which make use of the bleaching action of chlorine, or make use of chlorine as one of their constituent products to remove stains, which are basically just colored materials, or to turn them colorless. So that is the bleaching action of chlorine. That is the mechanism of how chlorine functions to remove stains and colored or colors. So endeavor to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and also more past questions and answers. Thank you.